everybody, and welcome to day 6 of 7 days of summer, the collaboration between Dear Julie Julie and Kara Brandon. And for day 6, these are the pages that we are working with. We've got these wonderful tags and pocket, journaling cards, and a little bit of ephemera from Kara Brandon. And from Julie, we've got more tags and cards, plus this little bit of ephemera here. Here we've got some teeny tiny little pieces. So, what have I done? Well, I started with Julie's really large tag and just made it into a tag. I did a little stamping, added a little label here from a piece of scrapbook paper, but I made it a sort of a double tag to flip up and write on. I just happened to notice this piece of red paper that was sitting right above where I was working, and I thought, oh, well, that might be cute. So I just stamped a little cherry on that and added a little bit of lace and pearls with a little bit of embroidery thread on an eyelet. So very simple tag. And then I created, using many of the other items, I created, excuse me, a multi-pocket, multi-tag, multi-card pocket, I guess. So here I used Kara's pocket. Here I used some red gingham paper on the background that I had. I used Kara's pocket and I cut it down and turned it into a side pocket with one of Dear Julie Julie's postcards in it. And in this pocket, we've got another little Dear Julie Julie card and a Kara Brandon tag where I just added a little bit of lace, stamped sweet on it, gave it ribbon, pearls, and the embroidery thread. And here's one of Kara's journaling cards, just stamped happy days on it and a butterfly. Gave it a little fabric pull tab. In here, I used one of Julie's, made another little card, and I used one of the deals on Julie's image was a quilt she had made with her grandmother, an image of that. So I used that as a little pull tab on that. And here I used Kara's postcard with Julie's ephemera piece of the little girl, just layered a little fabric behind it. And the other day, you may recall, I made some stamps using some of the images. So I just made a stamp on the postcard, or put a stamp on the postcard and then stamped my postmark on it. And then in the 1, 2, 3, fourth pocket, sorry, we've got another tag from Kara Brandon. Again, I just added a little lace, a little ribbon there, and So Berry Sweet, and I added a couple of strawberry stamps to that. So we've got a pretty full ephemera pocket here. Let's see if I can remember how I had everything in it. I think I had that there. That there. And that, something like that. And like I said, I used some gingham paper. The blue is from one of the pages in Kara Brandon's summer journal pages. So that is what I have done for day 6. Those will go into my journal. And be sure to check out the other artists below. They're doing some really amazing things. And I will see you tomorrow for day 7. Everyone have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.